First position of Lasal. Now, Camus. Sahor. Nice to Mali. 10 to shoot. Now, Camus again. Camus, fake. Guarded by Tumubanwa. 5 to shoot. Nice into step by Iloilo. Now, it's 3 on 2. Drive. Goes to goes. In and out. Rebound on Iloilo again. Now, Penetrante. 14 reset shot clock, 14. Now, Flores in the ball game. Flores goes to go too strong. Rebound on Lasal. It's 2-2. Lasal sa isip sa kita. Short. Rebound on Tubong-Banwa. Captain. Pass to Flores. Flores. First basket, first shot. First on Iloilo. It's 2-0. Iloilo versus Lasal. Our first game. We are live on Facebook page of Basketballista. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Camus! 3-2. 1 point in Lasal. Now, Penetrante. Guarded by Sigiton. Nice pass down. Nice. Still Flores. Flores. First shot. Again. Rebound on Simbaco. Simbaco to Camus. Camus all the way. On Camus. 5-2. 3-point lead now on Lasal. Now Rivera in the ball game. Rivera, the point guard, the playmaker. Bora too strong. Rebound on Lasal. It's 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Camus. Still again by Flores. Flores. Dobro, strong move by Flores. In and out. Rebound on Simbaco. To Sigitan. It's 3 on 1. Fake. Pass. Nice steal. Nice defense on University of Iloilo. It's 7 minutes and 55 seconds. 5-2. 3-point lead on Lasal. Penetrante. Now Flores, the big man. Flores. Yes, on Flores. 4-5. 1 point in Lasal. This is our first game, first match for RU. AAP Season 4 by Basketballista. Camus guarded by Penetrante. 14 to shoot. To Sulitan. Air ball. Rebound on the green shirts. Now Sumilan. Jump ball. It's University Blue ball. It's Iloilo ball. Our guest team for RU AAP. Season 4. 7 minutes. We are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Rivera. Now Rivera, pass to Tubong-Banwa. Favorite shot. Too strong. Pop. Nice pass outside. Muneba again. Block. Nice block. Now it's nice defense. 3 on 1. Drive. Camus. Escape on Camus now. 7-4. 3-point lead on Lasal. It's 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Tubong-Banwa. To Muliva. Again, steal of the shirts. And Muliva. 10 to shoot. Again, too strong. Muliva. Same ball. 14 the set clock. 14. It's 6 minutes and 10. Still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Nice Flores. Short. Rebound on Simbaco. Now Camus again. Again short. Rebound on Rivera. Guarded by Sulitan. Rivera. 1 on 1. Rivera. Foul. Usman up.
Rivera.
Foul on number 15 on Sulitan. First on Sulitan. First team foul on Lasal. It's 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Tubong-Banwa. Flores. Too strong. Nice pass. Pow! Foul on number 5 on Sahor. Second team foul on Lasal. First on Sahor. 7-5. 2-point lead now on Lasal. It's 5 minutes and 39 seconds. First game, first quarter, first half. Now 6-7. 1 point lead on Lasal. It's Lasal versus Iloilo. Now, Camus. Guarded by Tubong Banwa, the point guard. Tubong Banwa. Now, Umali. Umali, too strong again. Rebound on the bench shirt. Oh, Sahor. Sahor, open jump. In and out. Flores. Baseball pass to Penetrante. Penetrante, left-handed to shoot. Too strong. Tubong Banwa again. It's 2-1. Again, yes, on Manila. Now, 8-7. 1 point lead on Iloilo. It's a 4-0 run. Coming from Augustine Iloilo. Still again by Flores. Flores try. Flores goes to goal. Time out. On Lasal. It's 10-7. 3-point lead now Iloilo. We are live on the Facebook page of Pacificista. 10-7. And our next game will be All Filipino Cup. It's XX4 versus Ropang Hamong. Sir Chris, diyan ka Sir Chris, Musa. 4 minutes, 49 seconds. This is UAAP Season 4 by Pacificista. Still by Isabela. Last touch by number 15. It's blue ball. Iloilo ball. It's 10-7. 3-point in Iloilo. Rivera. Rivera pick. Rivera left-handed shot. Too strong. Rebound by the green shirts. Score. Camus. Camus. In and out. What a move. What a rebound coming from number 15. Air Price. Sugitan. What a move up coming from Sugitan. Now Penetrante. 4 minutes. Rivera. Easy shot. Basic. Too strong. Rebound on Simbaco. Simbaco to Camus. Camus, the veteran. Camus. Too strong again. Penetrante. To Tubong Banwa. It's 3-on-3. Tubong Banwa. Still on Camus. It's 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. It's all Iloilo. It's a 4-0 run by Iloilo. Rivera. Short. Rebound again. Umali. Umali. It's 3-on-2. Umali. Drag. Umali. Nice rebound. Same ball. Same ball. It's 3 minutes and 10. Only 3-point lead on Augustine Iloilo. Time to shoot. Again, too strong. Rebound on the blue shirts again. Muli a foul. Foul on Lasal. 13 foul. Lasal third. Team foul. Lasal. First personal foul on Sahor. This is our first game, first match. Or are you AAP Season 4 by Maria Flores? He's still on the air fly foul. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 0 on Maliba. First personal foul against Maliba. First team foul, Iloilo. Free throw shot. To Sugitan. 10-7. It's 2 minutes and 47 seconds. First quarter. First half. First game. Short. And our next game for our All Filipino Cup X4 versus Ropang Hamong. Sugitan, guarded by the captain, Tubong Banwa. Camus, Isite, still again. It's clean ball. Okay lang, sir? Sir, okay lang. To have to shoot. Walang lag by Flores. It's 6 seconds to shoot. 6 to shoot. Sugitan, 5 seconds to shoot. In and out. Oh, Flores again. Flores. Looking for it. Now Flores all the way. Flores. Traveling violation. Traveling. Nice defense on Lasal. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds. 10-7. Now Camus. Paper chat. Short. Ibano the captain. Tumumbano, ha? Carded by number 15. Tumumbano, 1-1. Rivera. Legit point guard. Rivera lapanded short again. Ibano, oh! Same ball. It's 1 minute and 25 seconds. Stop! Camus all alone. 1-1. Rivera, Camus. 9-10. 1 point lead again by Leo. Penetrante. Short. Rebound ng Simbako. Simbako to Sugitan. It's 3-on-3. Sugitan, side step. Oh, air flying. Sugitan. 11-10. 1 point lead Lasal. Bang! On the prime level. Now 12-11. 1 point lead on Lilo. 40 seconds. Umali. Steal again. Oh, take the shoot. 10. Wow. Nalagay ko ba si Kita. Foul. Foul on Flores. Lilo. Shot. It's 30 seconds. Okay. Nice stop. Nice save by Flores. Now Penetrante. Steal. Tigitan now. The air fly. Tigitan. Short. Top. The captain. It's captain is 3-on-1. Nice pass. Penetrante. 13. 5 seconds. And now the first quarter score 14 against 11. It's 3-point lead on Agas team Iloilo. Second quarter there in second quarter. It's Lasal ball, Lasal.
Wala pa ng class. Napay na. Less than
10 sila eh.
10 sila?
5 days pa. Okay. Walang kabalik eh. Walang nakabalik. Short! Sino pumasok? Wala. Oh! Fernandez! Ilang kayo? Short! King James now in the ball game. King James. Now 1 point in Iloilo. It's Peralta. Pass to Alcantara. 14 to shoot. Nice pass outside. King James. Now 15 to 14. 1 point in now Lasal. Nice move. Drive. Jenner. Short. Top. King James again. King James guarded by number 15 on Losada. King James to Alcantara. Block! What a block! What defense coming from Iloilo. It's 8 minutes and 57 seconds. 14-15. We are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Peralta. Open jump, short. Rebound top. Now Giner. 8-1. Giner sides up. Eurostep. Bang! Oh, Giner now 16-15. 1 point lead on Iloilo. Now Fernandez. Move. Fernandez looking for James stop. Loose ball. Nice defense on Giner. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 16-15. 1 point lead Iloilo. Now Giner. Guarded by Fernandez. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Now on Barroso. Barroso to Fernandez. Fernandez, very good job. Fernandez drive. Third. Fernandez side set. Fernandez. Block. Nice defense on the third. Still. It's in 1-1. Peralta. Guarded by Giner. Looking for King James. King James. Zigzag. King James. Too strong. Rebound on blue shirts. It's Giner now. Now Giner, all the way, Giner, open drive, short. Rebound on black shirts. Black again. 14 to shoot. Oh, in and out. Whoa! Now 18-15, 3-point lead on Iloilo. It's 7 minutes and 10 seconds. It's all Iloilo. Peralta, Alcantara. Looking for King James. King James, drive. King James, nice steal again. Peralta. 14 to shoot. 14. Wow. Foul on number 26. On Iloilo. First unofficial. First team foul on Iloilo. King James. 10 to shoot. 10. Still, great defense again on the blue shirts. Iloilo ball. We are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This is our season 4 UAAP by Basketballista. Giner. Tibio. Abio. Official. Bang! On official now 21-15. 6-point lead on Iloilo. Fernandez. King James. Looking for open man. King James again. Now 10 to shoot. Barroso. Short. Rebound on blue shirts. Pass to Giner. Giner now. It's 4-4. Drive to Yo-Yo move. Short. Barroso. Still. Now Alcantara. Still again on those yours. 5 minutes and 30 seconds to Losada. Losada, nice pass outside, nice break. 3 seconds. Short, top, Barroso. Now King James. King James, dive, nice break. King James, 6 shots, and that King James, Yo-Yo foul. Foul again on number 26. Official, second personal foul against Sir Official. Second team foul on Iloilo. It's 5 minutes and 16. Short. Giner. Guarded by Fernandez. Fabio. 14 to shoot. 10. Official, nice pass. Black. 4 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Short. Barroso. Fernandez all the way! Bang! On Fernandez, 17-21. Back to 4-point lead on Iloilo. We are live on the Facebook page by Basketballista. It's 21-17. 14 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. Oh, he's still King James. It's 2-1. King James to Fernandez. Yo-yo move. Time out on Iloilo. It's 21 against 19. Back to 2-point lead on Iloilo.
Magbulas ka, oh. Sobra.
Ikaw mo na. Yes, nila. Para next game. Ha? Lagay ko lang sa NCAA. 4 minutes! 2-point lead now Iloilo. Giner. Nice move! Crossover! Nice move, Giner. Pass down. Ciao! Turnover again on Iloilo. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 21 against 19. Now Peralta. It's all Lasal. It's 4-0 run against Lasal. King James. To Paroso. I see again the blue shirts. Peralta. Too strong. Paroso. Blue shirts again. Nice pass outside. Still again on Alcantara. Top. To Peralta. Fernandez. Air flying Fernandez. Short. Alcantara. Yes, on Alcantara. Now 21 all. It's first deadlock of the game. It's Iloilo against Lasal. 3 minutes. Official. Downside. Fake. Nice slide. 14 to shoot. 14. Again, in and out. Rebound on Barroso to Peralta. All alone. Peralta. Yes, on Peralta now. 23-21. Chase Favor. Elite Lasal now. It leads by 2. Giner. Lusada. Kaya may James. Foul. Foul on King James. First on King James. First on Lasal. It's 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Second quarter. First game. UAAP. Season 4. Back-to-back turnover. 2 turnover now on Iloilo. It's all Lasal on second quarter. 23 against 21. Now King James. To Fernandez. Barroso. It's 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. King James. It's 3-on-1. Giner. Whoa! Turnover again on Iloilo. It's 1 minute and 37 seconds. Second quarter, 23-21. Fernandez. Wow! Wanna get to the Fernandez short. Di ball again. Alright, let's move by Fernandez. Back to Fernandez. 10 to shoot. 10. Pass. Barroso. Stop. Pump. Stop. Pump. Roll short. 5 to shoot. In and out. Oh, foul. Foul on the smiling King James. First on King James. Second team foul on Lasal. It's 1 minute. Second personal foul on King James. Now Giner. Nice fake. Giner. Passed outside. Fake. And to shoot. 10.
Ay, ay, ay.
Short. Iba na ganda, Giner. Giner. Oh! Bang! On Giner. It's 30 seconds.
Last shot tayo, last shot.
23 all. Fernandez.
Balik to.
14 to shoot. 10. 20 seconds. Whoa! 16 seconds, 16.
Last shot.
A magic girl type of magic.
Now, Giner.
Ito.
10 seconds.
Aywa.
Whoa! 25 to 27. And now for second quarter score. 25 to 23, 2-point lead now. On our guest team, Iloilo. Third quarter, ready, third quarter. Third quarter. We are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This is our first game for Iloilo against LaSalle. UAAP Season 4 by Basketballista. It's LaSalle ball, LaSalle. It's green ball, LaSalle. Blue kanina second quarter, di ba? Oh. Kanina second quarter? Kanina bola?
Hindi kami pipili.
So, it's blue ball, Iloilo ball. Change court. Nice play. Nice time. Black to Omali. 10 to shoot. 10. Rivero.
Shot.
Kabak.
Ayan!
Strong out. Now Sigitan in the ball game. Air Sigitan. Fernandez. Top behind. Cabana. Air ball. Blue ball, blue. I will go tomorrow to you because I will play the tree. Because still there. Yeah, the tree, huh?
Bye, Rahman.
Air ball. Rebound Sigitan. Fernandez. 1-on-1. Fernandez. Kaya Fernandez! One move of Fernandez now 25 all. Great move. Great play on Fernandez. Now Pranada. Guarded by Fernandez. Pranada downside. Turnover again on Iloilo. It's 8 minutes and 30 seconds. It's all LaSalle now. 2-0 run on LaSalle. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Cabana. Short. It's blue ball. 8 minutes. Now Rivero. Back to Rivero. 14 to shoot. Rivero, pass, outside, drive, Pranada, foul, basket. Foul on Cabana. First on Cabana, first team foul. LaSalle. Now Rivero. Was short again. Tapay ang mali. Now Fernandez, the flying Fernandez. Fernandez, side step, corner, Fernandez. Foul on 0 on Cabana. First on Cabana, first team, second team foul, Lasal. Now Pranada. Setting the play. Kapak. Right. Skip. Up. Kapak again. Kapak again. Kapak again. It's green ball. Nice defense on Lasal. It's 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 25 all. Lasal against Iloilo. Fernandez. Pasos sa gitan. Cabana. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Cabana! 27-25. 2-point lead. Lasal. Foul again on Cabana. Third team foul on Lasal. Second personal foul on Cabana. Only 2-point lead by Lasal. It's 27-25. Now 26-27, 1-point lead on Lasal. Top. Pranada again. Nice turn. Looking for nice top. 10 to shoot. 10.
Balik. Shoot.
Pranada. In and out. Rebound Simbako.
Palang.
To Cabana. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Going by.
Now Fernandez. 10 to shoot. 5. Now Kabak. Pranada. Yes, on Gapak now 28 against 27. 1-point lead now Iloilo. Cabana. Stop up. Looking for Sugitan. 3-point shot. Too strong. The ball on the blue shirts. It's 2-1. Pranada again. Looking for ball too strong. The ball. Lopez. Oh, Lopez again. Wow. Timeout. On Lasal, it's 31-27, 4-point lead. 30 against 27, 3-point lead on Iloilo.
Sino yung last na nag-show?
Lopez. Ayaw nyo, Carl? Ano? Gusto yung mag-sub?
May dalawa pa kasi hindi palaro.
Kayo, yung gusto nyo.
Pwede, simula na 5 minutes ng third, pwede mag-serve ako.
Laro yun.
Pwede.
Isa yung port, sino-sino na? Port. Sino-sino na? Let's sino na paspuso. 5 minutes! Cabana.
Okay.
Now King James. Steal on Flores. Oh! On the move from number 1, Gapak. It's 32-27. 5-point lead now, Iloilo. King James.
Ay, counted.
Foul. Foul on number 2. On Iloilo. First on Iloilo.
Fernandez.
First personal foul on number 2 on Fernandez. It's 4 minutes and 21 seconds, 32-27.
13 pa na sa.
Short. Flores.
Balik na.
Now Gapak 10 to shoot.
Asa!
Turnover on Iloilo. It's 3 minutes and 57 seconds. First game, third quarter. UAP Season 4 by Basketballista. Bang! Basket count and one on Barroso. Second team foul on Iloilo.
Kamay, kamay! Let's go! Ayun na!
Short. Cabana. Whoa! Cabana 31 to 32. 1 point lead now on Iloilo. Now Gapak. Angulo. Still again on the judge. Tamos. Blue shirt, 3 minutes. Granada. 10 to shoot. Vamos. Whoa! Time out. On Iloilo, it's 33-32. 1 point lead now. On LaSalle, 33 to 32. And our next game for our Filipino Cup is Tropang Hamong versus Tropang Hamong. Welcome back, Espiloa. We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UAP Season 4. Iloilo against LaSalle. Down the bell in the ball game now. Iner. Flores. Bang! Basket down and one against Flores. Usmanap. Foul on Peralta. Warning for penalty on LaSalle. It's 34 against the 33. 1 point lead on Iloilo. 2 point lead now Iloilo, 35 to 33. It's 2 minutes and 10 seconds. LaSalle versus Iloilo, our first game for our UAP season up. Now pass, Barroso hang time. Black Pepper Olores. Barroso again. Barroso, jump ball, LaSalle ball, green ball, green. LaSalle ball. It's 1 minute and 56 seconds. Cabana. James, King James, fake, King James, outside, still outside. To Flores. Now, 2-1, Giner, 3-1. Kapak. Yes, on Kapak, 37 to 33. 1 minute and 30 seconds, third quarter. First game, first match. Barroso, 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, it goes! 35 to 36. 1 point in Iloilo. Giner. There it goes to goal! Short! Barroso, top! Wow! 39 to 36. Happy long to
Depensa, depensa. Walang tira.
Tama.
Tema. Po? Opo, 41.
Yeah, 32 seconds.
41.
32 seconds! Dirty!
Lapit tayo, lapit. Huwag tayo, walang isi-shot.
25!
Sila.
20 seconds! 15! 12 seconds! 12 seconds!
Cabana.
5 seconds! 43.6! Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter up. Iloilo po, Iloilo. Our score 43-36. Iloilo. Bebe, sir.
Nag-prayer meeting pa ata eh.
Nice one!
Bam. Flores. Too strong. Rebound on Kelvin Shirts. Now Fernandez. 40 to shoot. Sigitan. Sahor. Bang! On Sahor. Now 38 to 43. 5-point lead on Iloilo. Pinitrante. Now Rivera. Nico, back to Rivera. He's still again on Sahor. It's 2-2. Sahor now. Sahor. Berarti Pinitrante. Sigitan. Back to Sahor. Too strong. Now Mulila. Lima. In and out again. Rebound on Fernandez. Fernandez, too strong, rebound on, again on Sahor, as to Sigitan, too strong, rebound again on Rivera. Lasal ball, it's 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Last quarter, first game, it's 43-38. Now Fernandez, 40 to shoot. Oh, Simbaco. 43-40, 3-point lead now on Iloilo. Rivera. Fernandez up, Torres foul. Hard foul coming from Simbaco. First on Simbaco. First team foul on Lasal. It's 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Our next game will be all Filipino Cup. It's Spiloa versus the King. Now Subitan. Guarded by Muneva. Subitan, airfly block by Flores. Now Muneva. Short. Rebound on Umali. Umali to Fernandez. Fernandez. Hustle by Muniba. To Umali. Looking for Simbaco. Simbaco, same spot. Short. Simbaco again. Black by Flores. Now Rivera, 1-1. Rivera coast to coast, carried by Sugitante, back. Now 14 to shoot, 14. Rivera looking for Fernandez, favorite shot.
Bang, bang.
Too strong, tap. Moneva! 45 to 40, 5-point lead now on Iloilo. Fernandez. Foul. Substitution of Sam. Foul on Pinitante. First team foul on Iloilo. First personal foul on Pinitante. It's 7 minutes. Now Fernandez. Subitan. Bang! The muscle man. Subitan, 42. 45, substitution of Sam.
Flores, second person.
Second team foul on Iloilo, second personal foul on the big man, Flores. 30, foul on number 30.
Huh?
30.
Number
30.
30. Rivera.
Rivera, person Rivera, top. Same ball, assault ball. Score, 45 to 42. 3-point lead on Iloilo. King James. 10 to shoot, 10. Sahor. Short. Tap by Rivera. Now it's still to Pranada. Wow! What a great goal. Rebound by Sugisana Fernandez. Now Sahor. Tap. Guys, still with Pranada. Hiner. Bang! Oh, time out! On Lasal, it's 47-42. 5-point lead on Iloilo. And we are live on Facebook page by Basketballista. It's Iloilo versus Lasal. Fourth quarter, 6 minutes remaining time, 6 minutes. 47-42. All Iloilo ball. Iloilo game. Fouling Simbaco to Fernandez. The main man, Fernandez. Now setting a play. Guarded by Hiner. Now 10 to shoot. Nice pass outside. Umali. Block by Torres.
Same ball.
14 recess shot clock, 14.
Aywa.
Flores. Hiner. Whoa! Hiner now 49 to 42. 7-point lead now on Iloilo. Again, Hiner, same spot, same favorite shot. Bang! On Hiner. 51 to 42, now 9.3. On University of Iloilo, our guest team, or our UAAP. Season 4 by Basketballista, Simbaco. Short. Nice fake. In and out. Foul. Foul again on number 30 on Rivera. 13 foul on Iloilo. Second personal foul against number 30 on Rivera.
James.
Oh! Stolen by King James. Now 44 to 51. Rivera. Basic short. Barroso. It's 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Barroso. Fernandez. Fake. Hiner. to Simbaco. Back to Fernandez for team to shoot. Sati to Silver, Sabler. It's 3 minutes and 57 seconds.
Dalawa niya, tama.
Now, Hiner. Straight. Short. Top. Tim Flores. Nice pass. Rivera. Time to shoot. 10. Wow! Granada. 53-44. Back to 9-point lead on Iloilo. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. This is just our first game, first match for UAAP Season 4. Ay basketballista, 10 to shoot. Foul. Who's ball up?
Number 3.
Foul on number 3. Warning for penalty on Iloilo. First on Granada. Fernandez. Sugitan. Barroso. Black. Barroso again. Take. Oh, Barroso now 46 to 53.
Time to shoot tayo, time to shoot. Okay, coach.
Time to shoot.
Screen!
Hi. Oh, now 48 to 53, 5-point lead on Iloilo.
Shoot.
40 to shoot. Rebound on Simbaco. Change. Last 2 minutes. Foul. Uspalat. I'm out on Iloilo.
Sino pa, Lep? Lep.
30.
Rivera. Penalty rep, penalty.
Rivera, fourth personal foul.
Fourth personal foul on Rivera. Warning on Rivera.
JMC.
Now 49 to 53. 2 minutes. Remaining time. 2 minutes. It's 4-point lead now, Iloilo. Flores. Bang! Basket down and one on the big man Flores, 55 to 49. Second team foul, Lasal. And our next game is battle for Piloa and the King. Lasal now score. Lily ball, 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Anim. Silalim. Setas ng tres.
Omali.
Ay!
Lily ball, Lasal ball. It's Lasal ball, Lasal ball, out of position, Lasal ball. King James, 10 to shoot. 5.
Oh no.
Foul.
0 minutes.
Foul on Muliwa. Penalty na, penalty. Next game, All Filipino Cup is FX4 versus Hamog. It's 1 minute 11 seconds. Iner. 1 minute.
Boss! Rapi ka mo na pick!
49 seconds, 49.
Ilang! Ilang! Wala foul! Wala foul! Wala foul ha!
Fernandez. Ramos. "35 seconds. Yes or no, Mali? 41, 51 to 55. 20 seconds.
Pasa, pasa, pasa!
Foul. Foul on Camos. 13 foul on Lasal. Third. Team foul against Lasal. 16 seconds.
16? Pasa na, pre! Pasa ha? Bola! Bola, bola, bola!
12 seconds. 12. Warning for penalty on Lasal. 12 seconds. Second personal foul on Camos.
Uy!
7 seconds. 7. Penalty red. Penalty.
Isa lang!
Bigay na bola red. Bigay.
Isa pre, isa pre! Yun ha!
56 to 51. 7 seconds. 7 seconds.
Sila, sila! Puntahin mo, puntahin mo! Muna ba?
And now the game winner, Iloilo. It's 56.